big way for one Wichita student.
A local dentist awarding a computer to 12-year-old Isaiah West. Dr. Tom Fankhauser.
Well, in a tough economy, the Montgomery County dentist is finding a way to do two things.
He's giving customers a break on dental work, and he's also getting food to the needy. Dave Huddleston.
When you can do something to help the community with no strings attached, it really makes you feel good.
Meta on Main Street.